are you? How are you feeling now? If you all are thinking that finally present tense is finished, but no, we have to do little more work on it. But before starting anything, I want to tell you something. As we know, we have completed present tense and now you are able to make sentences on it. Guys, we talk most of sentences in our life of present tense. So must start talking in English only. With your friends, mom, dad, brother, sister, colleagues, teachers, with everyone. Just start talking in English only. And think in English. While doing any work, think in English. For example, if you are taking out your clothes from the cupboard, then think, today I want to wear this shirt. Anyways, t-shirt suits me, but still today I'll wear this shirt. This way you can communicate with yourself. While praying to God, talk with Him in English only. Think in English. This way you can improve your spoken English. And then you see the difference in your spoken English. Now promise me, today onwards you'll do it. Let's come to the point. As I have said you, today we have to do little more work on present tense. So today we'll do practice on whole present tense but with different verbs. And I'll show you one set of each and you have to make two sets. So let's start. Practice on whole present tense. Guys, I have taken here different verbs and by this way we can revise our verbs also. So let's see. First part of present tense is present indefinite tense or you can say simple present tense. Now I have written here positive formula. Subject plus main verb, S or ES in the main verb. According to the subject we have to take. Okay. Plus object. Now indication of Hindi sentences is ta, ti, te, hai. Okay. First positive sentence is he speaks the truth. Negative sentence is we don't own that floor mill. Now interrogative sentence is do these children always get everything easily? Answer is yes they do. No they don't. Now WH interrogative is why does he not help his brother? Or you can say why doesn't he help his brother? Answer is he doesn't help his brother because he wants to make his brother self-reliable. Self-reliable का meaning है आत्मविश्वसनीय. Now doodles with have-has. So fifth sentence is do you have breakfast at 9 a.m.? Answer is yes I have. And in negative no I don't have. This way you have to make two more sets. Okay. Let's see next one. Second part is present progressive tense or you can say present continuous tense. Now here positive formula subject plus am is are plus ing in the main verb plus object. Indication of Hindi sentences is raha hai, rahi hai, rahi hai. So first positive sentence is they are walking on the road. Now negative sentence is he isn't blaming you. While making negative sentence, we have to add only not after am is are. Okay. Now interrogative sentence is aren't we playing cricket today? While making interrogative sentence, we have to take am is are first. So let's see here. Aren't we playing cricket today? Answer is yes we are. No we aren't. Now WH interrogative is in which state is your uncle living? Answer is my uncle is living in Chennai. So let's see next one. Third part is present perfect tense. Now positive formula is subject plus have-has plus third form of the verb plus object. You have to choose have or has according to the subject. Okay. Now indication of Hindi sentences is या है, ये है, ये है. Now positive sentence is Harshita has received your mail. Now negative, they haven't considered the new proposal. While making negative sentence, we have to add only not after have or has. Okay? Now third, interrogative. So here have or has will come first. Has your son read this book? Answer is yes, he has. No, he hasn't. Now WH interrogative is how long have you worked in this school? Answer is I worked in this school for 5 years. Let's see next one. Last part of present tense is present perfect continuous tense. Now positive formula is subject plus have has plus being plus ing in the main verb plus object. Indication of Hindi sentences is ताकि ते आ रहा रही रहे हैं. First positive sentence is I've been watering the plants for half an hour. Negative sentence is he hasn't been accepting the proposal for a week. Now interrogative sentence is have the people been facing heavy rain for 3 days? Answer is yes, they have, and no, they haven't. Now WH interrogative is since when has the baby been crying for its milk? Answer is the baby has been crying for its milk for 1 hour. Guys, I have made one set of each part of present tense. You have to make 2 sets of each part of present tense. Okay? Here we have finished practice on present tense. अगर आपको और भी डिटेल में सीखना है तो आप लेक्चर 43 से अब तक के जितने भी लेक्चर्स हुए हैं उससे आप सीख सकते हैं और मैं आपको लेक्चर 43 का डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दे दूंगी. ओके, those who are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and for further notification hit the bell icon. Now we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care, stay home,